Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on today's video. In today's video, in today's Weird Wednesday video, which is, I guess we could announce the fact that I'm going to do, daily themed vlogs, at least, Monday through Wednesday, and that, you know, that's just, something that I wanted to let you guys know about. I'm going to do, a mukbang Monday and a tutorial Tuesday, and I will do a Weird Wednesday, which is anything to do with the paranormal or anything like that. So, to start off with, for Weird Wednesday, I was just playing with my eyeliner, my Jante Blue eyeliner, which I already gave her some credit earlier on Instagram, so she's good. But no, I decided I would dedicate the side of my face to Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster, because it very much looks like Nessie to me. But honestly, I was just experimenting and playing with my new with my liquid eyeliner, my makeup artist level, like, bougie eyeliner for the first time seriously, and it just turned into this, and it's already Weird Wednesday. But I hope you guys like it. I thought it was really fun and cute, and I mean, it's like, is it going to be a bitch to get it out of my hair? Probably, most definitely, but what are you going to do about it, you know what I mean? Okay, so yeah, and then, which you guys will see in the thumbnail to this video, and you already know by the title what this is about, but, have you guys ever heard of a rainbow lizard before? I mean, a rainbow chameleon or a rainbow lizard before? I'm just curious, I'll give you guys a moment. Because I sure as hell haven't. Never seen one in my life. And also, my boyfriend slash fiance Joe, who's in the other room right now and can probably hear me. I love you, Joe, if you can hear me. But, he also, agrees with me that this is a Mandela effect, and, you know, I don't make these videos unless I believe them to be true, and I make sure that there are at least several other people that agree, and I always just start the question, start the question with, like, I'll send a picture of the animal, or whatever it is, or whatever the effect may be, and then, I'll be like, you know, like, have you ever seen this before? Or, like, do you remember this from high school? Or, did you learn about this in history class? Like, or whatever, you know, have you ever seen this on the Animal Planet? It's never like, do you think this is a Mandela effect? Because if so, that would be kind of like one of those, like, power of suggestion type things, and that ain't it. That's not who I am. I would never do that. That's inauthentic, and that's just not who I am. And it would be a disservice to you guys, but also to myself, and that would be a huge flaw in my character, and I'm just not like that. I don't reach for effects, and I hate when people are, I hate whenever people, especially, like, mainstream, like, big-time YouTubers, I'm not going to name any names because this is not a drama channel anymore, ever. Drama channels are just negative. I don't even watch them anymore. I'll be honest, I don't watch them. Sorry, but I don't. I'm sorry, not sorry. Just like my real hair lipstick. But no, have you guys ever seen that lizard before, that chameleon before? Because, okay, my mom also, my cousin Shelby, my friend Mariah, my friend Morgan, my friend Shelby, my friend Darlin, my friend Lisa, my friend Pat, my friend, who else? There was somebody else, oh, my friend Jessica, and also my grandfather, my peepaw Sam, my meemaw Linda, my grandparents on my mother's side, my mother, my stepdad, Stacey and Joey Ice, aka where I got my stage name from, because it's not really my stage name. Gonna legally change it, for sure. That's beside the point. But, that's how many other people that I know in my personal life that are affected by it, that I didn't lead them or suggest them to be affected by it. But comment down below. Is this a Mandela effect for you? I mean, don't you think that, like, it would be, like, on, like, you know, like those countdown shows, or, like, YouTube clips, and like the world, like the most colorful animals, we've all seen those, you know what I mean? Like on Instagram, Twitter, people post like beautiful, colorful like fish and chameleons and lizards and all kinds of stuff, and snakes, and like rainbow snakes, and we've all seen those and stuff like that, but a rainbow chameleon. And by the way, it took me like a good solid 10 minutes to find an actual image of it that wasn't just like an artist's rendering, which leads me to believe that this just shifted. This just shifted back into whatever this dimension is, whatever this reality is, and it's like, there's very little reality residue, but it's back. This rainbow chameleon is back, and it's ready for business. I mean, that's all I can say. And also, to close this, and to be just a little bit humorous, I guess you could say, I actually got bit by a spider, right before I started filming this. Like, I was sitting on my couch, I was talking to Joe, and I was telling him about the concept of this video, and we were talking about the Mandela effect that we both experienced, and, yeah, I got bit on the leg, by a spider on my upper thigh, and I will show you guys, for sure, but, let me see, let me get a better angle of it. Okay, yeah, it's still a little bit swollen right there, but that's it right here. There's even a little bit. There's a little welt. Didn't have time to see like if it was poisonous, what color it was, anything. It just I didn't even realize that it bit me at first because it happened so quickly. And like instinctively, I flicked it off my leg, of course. But in my head, I thought that I had just seen it, but I didn't. Like, or I had just saw it. No, like it had bitten me. But the adrenaline or whatever, because like spiders are my worst fear. I just like. I was like, I just like instinctively flicked it off, and it landed on Joe's leg, and like it didn't bite him, but like he thinks that him swiping it off of his leg, is what killed it. Because we looked for it, we like moved everything around, like all the everything, the pillows and like blankets and everything in the living room and the couch cushions, whatever, like, and we couldn't find it. So it's probably dead, and if not, hopefully it's not poisonous. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll go live on Instagram or something about it. But thank you so much for watching today's first Weird Wednesday video of all time, and once again, Steven Ice thinks that you're all so very nice.